Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is September the 15th, 2022. We're going to talk about Terra Luna today, or Luna coin, and see what's going to go on into the market with this currency's price. You guys can see that I did have this horizontal line up here around $4.85, and now price is below it. Now you guys can understand, if you saw my last video about Terra Luna, where price was going to go, then we should not be bullish into this coin anymore, all because of what occurred over the last 3 to 4 days. Now I'm going to talk about this, but first, look at this article, right? They're trying to induce us and tell us that Terra plummets, all because of an arrest warrant for Kwon in South Korea. Is that really the reason why the coin went down in price? Because there can always be a plethora of reasons as to why one person would sell versus another person. Now, just because this particular news is being plastered all over the internet and on social media doesn't mean that this is the reason why people are selling. No. Which is why I don't come in and try to focus on that information in the news, because I don't know why people do what they do. I just know once the action is completed, we can see it on the price chart. So I just come in and focus in on the price chart to get an understanding as to how the overall market is feeling. So if you guys want to join me, hit that like button. Instead of it, also subscribe here to the channel. Now, I went through this article real quick. It's written by Timothy Craig from Crypto Briefing, and it already has the title, Terra plummets as Kwon faces arrest in South Korea. As he faces arrest. Take a look at this. So the manhunt begins for him. They're out looking for him. South Korea government. A Wednesday report from South Korean news outlet, I'm not even going to pronounce that, has revealed that a Seoul court has issued arrest warrants for the Terra founder and 5 other people or individuals. The warrants allege that Kwon and his accomplices violated Korean capital markets law. Now they're looking for him. Okay. Now, his arrest warrant comes after the widely documented collapse of Terra blockchain in May. After briefly becoming the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, like Terra Luna was tearing it up back in May. Like the price was doing massive gains. Pretty much everything in the cryptocurrency space was doing that. But then it imploded when people lost confidence in the dollar peg of the network's UST stable coin. Now, since UST was not backed by, quote, real dollars and instead held its value through an algorithmic relationship with Luna, the loss of confidence resulted in a death spiral that sent the price of Luna and UST down to what? Fractions of a penny, wiping out more than $40 billion of value. Luna was renamed LUNC, Luna Classic, when Terra 2.0 was launched. And it's taken a 21% hit on today's news, trading at about, look at that, not even a penny at press time. Now, it triggered investigation. You guys can see in the next paragraph from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, Korean regulators, as well as several class action lawsuits. Everybody's trying to get at him and these other individuals. Janet Yellen also referenced the incidents in a recent speech calling for increased stablecoin regulation. Now, what if they created this whole situation? Just what if? So that they can implement regulation. Things of this magnitude just don't happen by circumstance. Now, in July, South Korean officials raided at least 7 cryptocurrency exchanges in connection with investigations with Terraform Labs. Several lawsuits also claimed that Kwon and his company defrauded investors and accused the firm of running a Ponzi scheme. Okay. Now, in an interview that Kwon did last month, he intends to cooperate with law enforcement when the time comes. All right. Now, according to Seoul prosecutor's office, Kwon and his associate currently reside in Singapore. Is that out of the jurisdiction? Can they go get them or not? Let's get back to this price, because I did the video for Terra Luna on September the 10th, and I told you, I said, hey, I'm going to wait because I want us to get confirmation that buyers are still here in Terra Luna around $4.96 to $5. Because I said, if we see that, then that's a great entry point. And now you guys can see it. It didn't happen. Terra Luna crashed and fell back down below that level. So it may not be positive. It's not a good thing for us to see the market in Terra Luna now trade below this area. Sorry. Is this still a play here? Can we still look for Terra Luna to go up? Let me show you something. As long as this maintains the case, Terra Luna is in an uptrend. Okay, it's in an uptrend. We're just coming right back down to the trend. That's all. But let's look at this on the hourly chart. Okay, you guys can see here from an hourly perspective that even the market right now in Terra Luna is seeing some rejection around $3.25. Okay, so even from an intraday basis, a scalping basis, that area is the lid. So not only are we looking for the market in Terra Luna to at least trade below $4.90, we have this other hurdle right here on the hourly chart of $3.20. Look at it on the 3-hour. Okay, it doesn't look any better. This right here still tells me that the market doesn't want to go up. It still shows us that. Now, look at this on a 4 to 5 minute. Okay, it is what it is. We have to see the market for what it is and not try to pull our emotions into this. The coin is telling us, the market, the people, the individuals, the participants is telling us that they do not want to lift this currency's price. Maybe because of Do Kwon's arrest warrant. Who knows? But we can see, and we do know, that price doesn't want to go up. Now, what's the cause? Like I said, it doesn't really matter. We can see that people are doing more selling than they are doing the buying here in Terra Luna. So now, how would you play this though? That's the question. Should we come in and participate in the market in Terra Luna? Or are we pretty much expecting the same mundane trading action to where the price is just going to do this and not give us too much? To me, I don't see nothing here. Us to jump on the bandwagon of us looking for a price in Terra Luna to go up was right there at $4.90 to $5. And once the market fell from that particular point, if you know how to short cryptocurrency, then you could have played the weakness to the downside and won. But as of right now, I don't expect too much to go on. Right now, it's kind of like a wait and see for the buyers in the market in Terra Luna to come in and confirm that they still want to buy this currency. That's it. And until we see that, we won't come in and do a price prediction because there's nothing here. There's no opportunity here in this currency if you're trying to be a trader. This is a waiting opportunity, or find another place somewhere else. So given that that's the case, given that Do Kwon and 6 other individuals have arrest warrants out for them, let's just see how low the price is going to go. You can see already though, before I let you all go, that the market in Terra Luna is trying to hold this particular price, which is at 250. That's our next area for us to continually see buyers hold price there. Okay, if we see that, then we can come in and say, all right, yeah, we're creating a support area. The buyers are continually buying up this currency, and then you'll see something like that to where price begins to go up. But right now, there's no need to rush on that one. All right, so I'm going to leave it alone. I think we need to continue to watch the price action, see the buyers continue to confirm that they want to hold the market here above 250, because if so, then yeah, there may be a play to the upside. But as of right now, I don't see anything. All right, so give me your thoughts about price action in Terra Luna. Give me your thoughts about, Terra Luna and the whole debacle of seeing this currency go literally to fractions of a penny. How do you think that looks on the overall cryptocurrency space? Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.